Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. Today's video is going to be about the tires and wheels. They're finally installed and they look absolutely amazing. Let me give you a little bit of a sneak peek here. There they are. Now the car is extremely dirty, so I apologize for that now. I have to get something else installed and then do a photo shoot, so more on that in the future. But enjoy today's video. I'll see you guys later. There we go, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, huge shout out to Tire Plug for letting me film and get everything put together for the wheels. And also support your small businesses. I can't really say this enough, but due to COVID-19, a lot of small businesses are suffering right now. So if you can support your small business or shop or something like that, please do that. But thanks, guys, again for watching. I'll see you guys next week.